Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at a Word document that was received by a client and the text is just really smushed together. It's really hard to see anything. This can happen if someone sends you a Word document, if they change the font default, it'll default to that actual document. And like I said, my client had this issue where they opened up a document and they had nothing but issues. They were trying to add to the document, and it just kept smushing the text together. And she's like, why is this happening? She thought her office was corrupted, an issue with the Word document. But it just kept happening over and over because her defaults were changed. The simplest way to do this is literally select all the text, go to font, hit this little arrow here, which is kind of like the advanced section. It'll probably default to font, but go ahead and go to advanced, and you can see our spacing is set to condense. So we're going to change that to normal. And when we change it to normal, you can see in the preview here, it's going to do the proper spacing. So if we hit OK, now the document looks 100% better, right? It's actually readable now. And I've seen this happen a lot. In most cases, people really think their Word is corrupted, but your Office is actually fine. It's just the advanced section settings were changed from a previous document, or the document you're working with, you copied that document and you saved it as a new name and you're just reusing those same defaults. So that's the easy way to change that, is go into the advanced section here and change your spacing to normal. Now make sure your scale is set to 100%, because if you do have this set and then, depending on the condense they have, it'll condense it that way. But like I said, as long as you have those set to 100% and set to normal, then you should be good going forward. And you can actually set it as your default as well, which is what I would recommend, because this is usually the default settings that you see here on my screen. I hope this helps someone out there. I know a lot of people, and especially law firms, have been having this issue with just some particular documents they've been receiving. Maybe they're using an older version of Word and it's just changing these defaults. But I hope this helps someone out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry for a short video, but I just want to get this out there. Have a great day.